Pass by Bowen inside. Williams just gets
wrapped him up.
Fouled by Spring Baquero challenging Verano. Drive inside. The strength of quick spin by Perk. It goes the other way. Too easy. Perk. Wow, what a hesitation move. Drops it off. Hodge gets the basket plus the foul. Hodge posting up. Oh, good defense. Miller with a better shot. Baquero spins, drops it off. Miller finishes.
Nice try.
At 17, Newsom drive, slams it down on the baseline. Really struggling on offense. Perkins has to put it up, and he puts it in. It drives, drops it off. Hodge gets fouled. Plus the basket. Meralco with now. He gets triple team. Richie, extra pass down low. That's enough.